All right, in this problem, starting with our Gemdas again. Okay, the first thing we're checking for are groups, and that's everything inside of brackets or parentheses. So here's my group. So this is what I'm going to solve first. Okay, in order to decide what to solve first, we don't just go from left to right. Within our groups, we still follow Gemdas. So within my group, I don't have any smaller groups, okay? Within my group, I do have exponents, okay? I have 2. So we're going to solve those from left to right. So the first one I'm going to tackle is that 4 to the 3rd power, or 4 cubed. That means we're doing 3 4s. 4 times itself 3 times, okay? 4 times 4 is 16. 16 times 4, okay, that's not something that's on a multiplication chart, so you could come over and do it off to the side. 4 times 6 is 24. 4 times 1 is 4 plus 2 is 6. Okay, so we have 64. Okay, we will drop everything else around it. 25 plus, even our parentheses, minus 5 squared times 3. That's it. Okay. Still have our group to do. And within our group, we have no other groups, but next on the list, we do have exponents. So this will be what we do next. All right, 5 squared means you have 5 twice. I have 2 5s. 5 times 5 is 25. Okay. So down here, I'm going to come put 25. All right. And then I'm going to drop everything else around it. So I have 25 plus my parentheses 64 minus 25 times 3. Okay. All right. So next I'm going to check. I still have my group. Okay. And within my group, do I have exponents? No. Do I have multiplication or division? Yes. I only have multiplication, so that's what I'm going to deal with. All right. So 25 times 3. I know that's like having 3 quarters. 25 times 3 is 75. Okay. And we're going to bring everything else down. One step at a time. 25 plus parentheses 64 minus 75. Okay. All right. Next, we still have our group. Okay. Do we have exponents inside? No. Multiplication or division? No. Addition or subtraction? Yes, that's all that's left. So we are going to solve the subtraction first. Okay. 64 minus 75. Okay, 64 is less than 75. So remember, this is having positive and a negative, different signs. Okay, subtract. Same signs add and keep, different signs subtract. Keep the sign of the higher absolute value. All right, so 75 minus 64 is going to give us 9. And because we're keeping the sign of the higher absolute value, it's going to be a negative because 75 has the higher absolute value. And then we'll drop the rest. We have 25 plus, I'm going to keep it in parentheses to keep those signs from touching, but that's it. All right. So when I go back and I say, do I have groups? I have no operations to solve within this group. This is just separating signs. So no, I'm done with my groups. Do I have exponents? No, I'm done with my exponents. Okay, do I have multiplication or division? Nope. All I have is 25 plus, so I'm adding negative 9. All right. Same signs add and keep, different signs subtract. 25, take away 9, gives us 14. And keep the sign of the higher absolute value. That would be positive 25. So this is a positive 14.